So, you almost done, bird?
No, this is its natural habitat,
Almost
clearly.
I think I'd open up.
Got quite the nest up there.
Gotta open up a window or something so they can get out when
Well, I don't know. They seem to be doing pretty well so far.
Well,
It's quite the nest. Are you proud of yourself? You should be.
I can open the side window.
I think she's side-eyeing me. It's a fixer-upper, but it'll do for now. Lots of ventilation. Residual.
That bird's ever had.
That's right. I love the residual floor heat in this model.